The Achievement Club is an awards program designed to recognize Bay East realtors who have used the MLS and closed more than $4 million or 10 transactions in residential and commercial sales, or closed 5 transactions in lease and rentals for the year. Certificates will be available February 21st. Please remember to review your inventory on the MLS and make sure all your sales statuses are up to date to ensure you receive the correct certification. Bay East has generated dollar volume reports to identify all realtor members who meet the following award criteria. If you believe you should be placed in a different category than the award you received, or have sales generated outside of Paragon MLS, starting February 21st, you can email additional documentation to memberservices@bayeast.org until March 20th. Congratulations to all you accomplished in 2022. Thanks for watching.